2025 is reshaping our world with mind-blowing tech. These 10 inventions solve real problems and redefine the future. Ready to be amazed? What if I told you that 2025 would be remembered for how technology subtly changed our entire way of life, rather than for political drama or celebrity scandals? This year's innovations aren't just cool. They're resolving practical issues in ways we never imagined imaginable. From solar-powered EV chargers that track the sun to materials that can mend themselves like human skin. Whether you're a tech geek, a casual viewer, or someone who's just interested in what the future has in store, you're going to learn about innovations that have the potential to completely alter the world. GrainPro Bubble Dryer. The GrainPro Bubble Dryer isn't ostentatious, but it's revolutionary. This solar-powered inflatable dryer helps dry grains, beans, and seeds without contamination, bugs, or spoiling. Perfect for farmers in tropical and wet regions. Particularly during wet seasons, traditional drying techniques frequently result in mold growth or a reduction in crop quality. This straightforward yet efficient invention ensures uniform drying and maintains food security by trapping solar heat inside a balloon-like chamber. It can be the difference between survival and starvation, or between profit and loss for smallholder farmers. Even though it doesn't receive any design honors, it's among the year's most significant inventions in terms of impact. Simsoft. Simsoft is an AI-powered platform that is transforming city infrastructure management, including emergency response, water utilization, and traffic flow. Before making real-world changes, decision-makers can test scenarios, simulate consequences, and improve operations by using Simsoft to create real-time digital twins of entire metropolitan systems. Similar to SimCity, but with actual repercussions and advantages. Want to see what happens if you divert traffic during a festival in the downtown area? Before the first barricade is erected, Simsoft displays the results. The technology is extremely strong, but it also raises concerns about overreach of AI and data privacy. Nevertheless, this is an essential tool for smarter, more sustainable cities. Snail-Inspired robotic swarms. Yes, you read correctly. Scientists have created cooperative robotic swarms by imitating the lubricated, sliding motion of gastropods, which is modeled after how snails move. These soft-bodied robots are perfect for search and rescue operations, pipeline inspections, and even extraterrestrial exploration, since they can fit into confined areas, adapt to odd surfaces, and work together to overcome difficulties. They move slowly, but that is the point. Accuracy and accessibility are more important than speed. They're also surprisingly adorable. These tiny slime-inspired robots have the potential to explore Mars or possibly save lives, so don't undervalue them. You can tell that innovation is becoming strange and amazing when snails become heroes. Bruker HI-90. The Bruker HI-90 is a cutting-edge hyperspectral imaging technology that is actually altering the way we perceive the world. This tool, which is used in environmental science, agriculture, and even counterterrorism, gathers comprehensive chemical information from distant objects, exposing information that is much more detailed than what the human eye can see. Consider real-time pollution mapping, detecting harmful gases, or evaluating the quality of food. For engineers and scientists, it's similar to X-ray vision. The uses are numerous, ranging from national defense to smart farming, despite the fact that it is not inexpensive. Imagine being able to quickly identify which crops want nutrients or water by scanning a whole field. That is a superpower, not simply technology. InMotion E20. You'll see why the InMotion E20 seems revolutionary if you've ever tried using a standard e-scooter to navigate congested city streets or tight urban corners. With its lightweight folding form, intelligent terrain adaptation, and intuitive balance control, this stylish electric micro-vehicle combines the greatest features of unicycles and scooters. With improved stability and safety features, it's essentially a personal hoverboard. It adapts torque and tilt in real time based on your riding habits. Great maneuverability does, however, come with a learning curve, so don't expect to become proficient in 5 minutes. With zero emissions and a ton of pleasure, It feels like skating into the future once you get the hang of it. Pulse Fire. A directed energy weapon system called Pulse Fire was created with both military and commercial applications in mind. It uses controlled plasma bursts. Yes, real bursts of plasma to destroy drones or turn off electronics. It uses concentrated energy instead of projectiles like conventional weapons do. It is accurate enough to reduce collateral damage and small enough for transportable deployment. Defense organizations are already testing Pulse Fire, despite the fact that it sounds like something from Star Wars or Halo. The morality of energy-based weaponry, however, is a topic of understandable debate. However, from a purely technological perspective, it represents a significant change in the way threats are addressed, quietly, effectively, and quickly. Varjo Teleport. Varjo Teleport is enabling users to beam into other locations in incredibly realistic and spatially accurate virtual settings. So forget about video calls. It effortlessly blends virtual reality and the real world by enabling distant users to appear as fully 3D avatars in physical places through the use of sophisticated mixed reality optics and spatial scanning. It's ideal for distant work, education, and even teamwork in architecture and design. You can observe hand movements, make eye contact, and feel as though you're actually in the same room as someone who lives miles away thanks to the astounding realism. Although it obviously needs a lot of processing power, it is transforming science fiction into a useful tool for the job. From a parallel dimension, it's Zoom. Cititech Self-Healing Polymer. The self-healing polymer from Cititech sounds like something from a Marvel film. Without heat, glue, or assistance, this synthetic material can heal itself from cuts, punctures, and structural damage. It is composed of intelligent molecular chains that, within minutes after damage, relink at ambient temperature. Imagine a damaged car bumper that fixes itself overnight, or your phone case that fixes scratches on its own. This is where the potential lies. Although mass production is still in its infancy, sectors such as consumer goods, automotive, and aerospace are eager to include it. One drawback? It conceals damage so well that you can completely forget to report an accident. Photokite Sigma. Firefighters, rescue crews, and emergency response units use the Photokite Sigma, a drone system that is unique in that it is tethered rather than flying freely. Without a pilot, this self-deploying airborne camera system provides live thermal and visual video feeds for vital situational information. It requires no batteries to launch, remains in the air for as long as necessary, and communicates through a safe tether line that also provides power. This enables first responders to make decisions more quickly and safely in situations where every second matters. And let's face it, watching a high-tech kite do life-saving surveillance is also sort of cool. This is as practical as technology gets. GoSun EV Solar Charger. In a world that is rapidly moving toward electric vehicles, the GoSun EV Solar Charger is revolutionary. This lightweight, foldable solar array is ideal for road trips, crises, or isolated locations without access to charging infrastructure because it is made to be completely portable and can power EVs using only direct sunlight. Even on partly overcast days, it automatically adjusts its orientation to maximize solar energy thanks to sophisticated sun tracking technology. It's a daring move toward grid independence in addition to being convenient. Superchargers won't be replaced by it, of course, but it is the best insurance for drivers. Imagine being unable to find an outlet while charging your automobile in the midst of a desert. That's 2025, not the future. From saving crops to exploring Mars, these 10 inventions are reshaping 2025. Embrace the tech revolution and build a smarter, greener tomorrow. Stay curious.